So what is coming up?
Mi cumpleaños.
That's right. So we have to get ready for a fiesta.
Fiesta.
Muy bien.
Hola, ¿cómo están? I'm Profe Nano, and I'm going to be learning with you. And this is Teacher Catalina.
Today we're going to be learning
Spanish.
And this episode is specially made for the little ones to start learning with us.
So, Teacher Catalina, what are we learning today?
Well, we said earlier that your cumpleaños is coming up, right?
Sí.
Muy bien. So we better get ready and start preparing una fiesta.
Sí.
¿Quieres una fiesta? Do you want a party?
Fiesta.
It's fiesta time. It's not going to be una sorpresa. It's not going to be a surprise because we are doing it together. But you can help us prepare for this fiesta for Profe Nano.
Teacher Catalina, what do we mean for la fiesta de cumpleaños?
That was such a long word. La fiesta de cumpleaños. Can you try it at home? La fiesta de cumpleaños. That sounds great. That's a birthday party. La fiesta, that's a party. De cumpleaños, of a birthday. So if you kind of translate it, it's a birthday party. La fiesta de cumpleaños. Excellent job. So, Profe Nano, there's quite a few things that we're going to need for la fiesta de cumpleaños. Some of them you already know, like for example, la comida. Do you remember what la comida means?
It is food.
Very good. We need la comida because we are going to be hungry. Maybe you feel like saying, tengo hambre. How would you say that? Good. How would you say that? Tengo hambre.
Tengo hambre.
Good. I am hungry. Therefore, in a fiesta, we need la comida. What do we need?
La comida.
Muy bien.
Teacher Catalina, my favorite comida is pastel.
¿El pastel?
Sí.
Me gusta el pastel. ¿Te gusta el pastel? I'm sure you do. We certainly do. Right, Profe Nano?
Sí.
Good. And just in case you go to a different country, or maybe you're learning from a teacher from a different country, another way of saying pastel is torta.
Torta.
Yes, Profe Nano, torta. Good. So you could say el pastel or la torta.
La torta.
Muy bien, Profe Nano, chócalas. Excelente. You want to make sure that you can get this cake.
Another thing I like is candy.
Candy?
Sí.
Muy bien. We definitely want to get candy for la fiesta. La fiesta de cumpleaños. So, the way that you say candy is los dulces.
Los dulces.
Very good. Los dulces. Excellent. And another different way would be los caramelos. That's a long one. Los caramelos. Can you try, Profe Nano?
Los caramelos.
Wow, sounds great. Good job, guys. Now we have torta, pastel, another way of saying it, and dulces and caramelos. This is going to be a good fiesta, don't you think?
Sí.
Sí.
Teacher Catalina, I want to play with mis amigos. Can I have some?
¿Juguetes?
Sí.
Juguetes.
Juguetes.
Excellent job. Juguetes are toys. And I'm sure your amigos are going to love the juguetes. Los juguetes. Very good.
You're gonna get a great grade.
There are 3 more important things that we need to have for your fiesta de cumpleaños. One of them, I am sure, at home and you, Profe Nano, are going to recognize. That is going to be la música. Can you guess what that is?
La música is music.
That's right. Profe Nano loves to dance. Le gusta bailar. He loves to dance. Mucha música para Profe Nano. ¿Te gusta la música? Muy bien. Me gusta la música. ¿Te gusta la música, Profe Nano?
Sí, me gusta la música.
Muy bien. We're going to dance. Mucho baile. Excelente, Profe Nano.
Teacher Catalina, look at mis amigos.
They're hitting a piñata.
Piñata.
Muy bien. We love to have piñatas at fiestas de cumpleaños. Do you want to play with the piñata? Excelente. Then make sure that you come to Profe Nano's Fiesta de Cumpleaños. La fiesta de cumpleaños de Profe Nano.
Sí, please come.
And if you come, don't feel like you have to bring regalos. Although we love regalos, your presence is what we would love. Regalos are not necessary, right, Profe Nano?
No.
Regalos are nice, but what we enjoy is mis amigos, tus amigos, nuestros amigos. That's right. Y música. Música. Y pastel.
Sí.
Sí, y juguetes.
Sí.
Muy bien. Y dulces.
Sí.
Excelente.
Sí.
And of course, la piñata.
Sí.
Muy bien.
Look at how much fun mis amigos are having.
That's right. They are really enjoying la fiesta de cumpleaños. Thank you guys for joining us today. I hope that you learned all of this vocabulary, and we certainly thank you for helping us decide what to do para la fiesta de cumpleaños de Profe Nano. What was that, Profe Nano?
Una trompeta.
Una trompeta. Muy bien. Are we going to have trompetas? That's right. Some good música, right?
Sí.
Muy bien. Okay, I better go pay for all of these things that we bought at the store today so we can get started on preparing for la fiesta de cumpleaños, okay?
Sí.
Gracias, amigos. Adiós, Profe Nano.
Adios. Well, yeah, but it's my birthday, so you gotta do these couple things. So, the first one is the like button. If you very like this video, because there's gonna be a lot more. And if you want to know when the video is posted, just ring that notification bell. And if you loved our channel, subscribe. It's a red button that says subscribe. Now I'm gonna go party. Oh wait, oh, I forgot one more thing. I gotta get out of my back pocket. It's the share button. Share it with all your friends so they can learn too. Now I'm gonna go pay for all the things with Teacher Catalina, and then